Ladies and gentlemen, in presenting to you one of the greatest classical epics of modern times, we are anxious to show you how it would sound were it to be played on some of the best-known types of bands of the moment. This composition will undoubtedly go down to posterity as one of the most interesting items of serious music of the present era. You know that the piece I am alluding to is entitled It Ain't Gonna Rain No Mo', which, being interpreted from the American to the English, means it is considerably improbable that damp atmospheric conditions will prevail for some appreciable time to come, or as your loudspeaker would have it, further outlook, fine at intervals. So now I was out with an old friend of mine the other day when a troop of Boy Scouts passed us playing It Ain't Gonna Rain No Mo'. My friend was very impressed, and he said he thought he preferred their rendering to the Savoy Orpheans. He said, "You think the Savoy Orpheans would play it like that?" I said, "Yes, all the Savoy Orpheans were in the Boy Scouts years and years ago. So if you listen, you'll imagine you're once more marching with them, complete with good resolutions and bare knees." After this, we heard the approaching strains of another type of band playing the same tune. As it got nearer, we recognized a detachment of the Salvation Army. My friend said to me, he said, "You know, old man," he said, "there's something very wonderful about the Salvation Army band. I very much doubt whether the Savoy Orpheans could play it better than that. Do you think they could?" I said, "Yes, all the Savoy Orpheans were in the Salvation Army years ago. You listen." While I was motoring my friend up and down the following morning, and driving up Whitehall, we suddenly heard one of His Majesty's Guards bands, which was making a feature of this same haunting melody. So we got off the bus and listened for a few minutes. My friend said to me, "I suppose there is no type of band that can make music so exhilarating as the Guards, is there?" I said, "Yes, all the Savoy Orpheans were Guards at one time. Some on the Great Eastern, some on the Midland and Scottish, some even on the Southern, but for obvious reasons they've not arrived yet. So listen to the music of the Guards." By this time, my friend was getting really interested. And he said, "Are there any other types of band that the Savoy Orpheans can represent? What about the pipers?" So I said, "Which do you mean, the evening pipers or the morning pipers?" He said, no, I mean the Scotch pipers. I don't know. Well, of course, I know of no members of the community who know more about Scots than the Orpheans, so that'll be quite easy. So now you're going to hear how this tune would sound over the border. Finally, the Orpheans are going to play it to you in their own inimitable style, after which the London station will close down until 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Good night, everybody. Good night. Shut up.
Set on the railroad track, his heart was all aflutter. A big express came trundling by, peanut butter.